another event. Okay. Right, back to Mega Chippie channel. So if you saw the half a video I did of the servicing on this retune and test, I'd gone over it for dry joints previously, and we're doing this with a mic which we're supplying. This isn't the one, but it's an identical one, as this had come with no microphone. So we'll see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. Midland 77104 UK, which is the better version. You can always tell these because it has 9 printed on the radio, whereas on the DUK version it doesn't have 9 printed on the radio because it's not a rotary channel selector switch as such. So rotary up down control. These are the better ones to have, and they've set the receivers more sensitive. This is unusually sensitive. I think it was 0.32. They're not normally much under 0.45, and it's doing a full 4 watt output. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that. I'll plug my extension speaker in. Okay, I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. On this radio there's no tone control.
Roger. Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that, and we're not late. Is there a glimmer of light out there?
No.
Oh dear.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm
I'm on a Midland 77104 UK from 1987. He's doing a full 4-watt output and I'm using a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, dodge on.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Midland 77104 UK, which is the better version of these, not the DUK, and it's drawing 813 milliamps to deliver a full 4-watt output using a standard replacement coffin microphone. We're going to go to low power. It's set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we're on low power now, drawing 338 milliamps to deliver 400 milliwatts. We go back to full power, and there we are back on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power, no problems on low power, just a little bit noisier.
Excellent. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're square wheeled for the level crossing.
Oh right, you'll have to report what kind of train it is.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, 137.9 and 144.7.
Oh, that worked really well, so thanks very much. 10-10.
Yeah, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Do you have a petrol price today at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 137.9 and 144.7.
Right, well, that worked really well, so thanks very much, and 10-10.
Yeah, roger that, 10-10.
Right, well, that certainly did work great, so we'll see what it sounds like into our Midland 76900 base station.
Tango 21, testing the Midland 77104 UK into our Midland 76900 base station. We're on standard replacement mic, testing 12345 54321 on 4 watts. Pop it onto low power. This is a hum test. If there was a hum, it would diminish on low power. There we're on low power doing 400 milliwatts. Pop it back to full. Now we are back on full power, so I think we're doing Murphy DS602 tomorrow. Thanks very much for watching in Midland 77104 UK from 1988.